How you doing, Don? Gray Roberts from Parkway Mazda. I just wanted to give you a little bit more insight on how to use your new 2021 Chevrolet Malibu remote key start. Okay guys, so as you can see, we have our 2021 Chevrolet Malibu. I have my keys in hand. Okay, so let's just say it's early morning, you want to start your car before you get ready. Your car's warmed up for you when you get in the car. All you simply have to do is press your lock button twice and turn over the engine using this little button here. So you're gonna press your lock button twice. 1, 2, it locks and you hold your, and now your car is now warm. Okay guys, actually fast forwarding to when we're ready getting into our car, all you have to do is press your unlock button. And then once you're in, your AC and things are already running. It's warming up for you. Your engine is running actually. All you have to do is put your foot on the brake and hold your push to start button. And now you're ready to go.